everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a guess my number game. So if we come to scratch.make.edu, you can create an account and I'll show you an actual basically we're going to be creating this. So if I just click on my project, we have this guess my number. And if you want to know the answer, you'll just come to this variable and it changes every time you do a green flag. Yep, so I'm going to teach you how to make just that. So wait one sec. Okay, I'm sorry about that, but yeah. So we're going to come to scratch.make.edu, and if you do want the link, but basically you're going to click on create, and then you can have that cat if you wanna. Yeah, have that cat. And then we're gonna come to backdrops and click search. Then we're gonna select blue sky because I think that looks good. Then set it to like kind of in the middle, maybe 24-1. But yeah, so when we do that, we're gonna get a run green flag clicked. Then we're gonna right click and delete the my variable. And then we're going to do, and we're going to set this to for this sprite only, and then we're going to put in here random number answer. So when we do that, we're going to grab a set and then pick random 1 to 99 or whatever number you want. Can be 100, can be 99, but I'm going to do 1 to 99. Then we're going to do an ask, then we're going to put in here, guess my number between 1 to 99. Then forever, we are going to get 3 if thens. So if then, now make sure they are not inside each other like that. Make sure there's a gap. See how mine's under it? You want to do that. Then do it another. Then we're going to get a greatest, a less than. So basically, this arrow means it's less. Then we're going to set answer. So we're going to find answer greater than, lower than random number. So we're going to come to variables and get that. Then we're going to say, and then we're going to set this to too low. So you can do that if you want to. Then wait 1 second. Then we can duplicate this guess my number between 1 and 99, and we're going to do that. And then we're going to, in this one, we're going to get a run greater than. So we can duplicate this answer and random number. And if you want to, for now, just keep this and maybe name the speaker. You can have any character for the speaker, but Yeah, I'm just gonna name it cat, so it comes up with like cat there, just like it. And then, we're going to do, I'm sorry guys, wait one sec. But when it's greater, so then we're going to do, say, we can duplicate this here and just do too high. And um, then we can even do that and just get rid of this ask my number. Then do if it's equal and then duplicate this answer, random number, then say correct. Then maybe a shouting mark, and then there we go. So number changes every time. If you can see right here, if you want to, you can do that or something, and you can even change it if you wanna. But like if I do 100, you can change it like by doing it to slider and just double clicking. And as you can see, it changes every time. And that is how. And you can make this any number. Could be 1,000 if you wanna. Then scratch cat, but still do like 231. If you want 1,000, you can do 1,000. But I'm just gonna do 99. So that is how you make guess my number. If you want to, you can design a backdrop, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.